In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant not opening, not starting, or launching on your PC. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. But first, go to your search bar and type msconfig, and then open it. Once you open it, go to Services, and then find VGC. Once you found VGC, uncheck the box beside it, then hit apply and then OK. After that, you need to restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, open System Configuration again. Go again to the Services and find VGC again. Now, check the box beside it and then hit apply and OK. Second is opening your task manager and closing any related processes to Valorant. So press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open your task manager. Then find any related processes to Valorant, right click on it and press End Task. Once you're done, you can close this. And the last tip is opening your Services app. Go to your search bar and search for services.msc. Open the services and then find VGC. Once you find the VGC, right-click on it and go to Properties. Once you are here on the Properties, set the startup type from manual to automatic. Hit apply and then OK. Once you're done, you can close it. And then, you may need to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.